So guys, you may have this doubt, like, is a data frame a combination of series? Like, a series is an array, right? An array of a certain types, like integer, float, and all. So you can see that we have these multiple rows and multiple columns, right? So each row can be a series, right? Each column can be a series, right? So we will check that in this video. Okay, so we have this ndf2. So where is that? Yeah, we have this ndf2 which has this 450 rows and 5 columns. Great. Now if I just wanna see the columns, like the first column, then we just need to write ndf2 and then 0. Okay, now if I run it, you can see it is showing me the first column only, like 02449. The length is 450 and the object, the data type is object, right? So we have this column only, right? So if you just uh, check the type of this column, because this column is a set of float numbers, right? It is an array of float numbers, so obviously this should be a series, right? So if I just check the type of the column, you can see this is a series. So you can clearly say that a data frame is a combination of series. Okay,